Hamjambo, jina langu ni Abdulkarim. Karibu katika darasa hili la Kiswahili. In this lesson, we are going to learn Swahili subject and object prefixes for personal pronouns. You know, personal pronouns are what, like mimi, wewe, yeye, sisi, nyinyi, and wao. Me for mimi, wewe for you, yeye for him or her, sisi for us, nyinyi for you all, and wao for them. Yeah, one of our YouTube students suggested I do this lesson, only this for object prefixes, but I made these two for subject and object prefixes so that you can distinguish between the two. So we have here, we will start with object prefixes in Swahili. You know, the object prefixes for personal pronouns. Mimi, the object prefix for here for mimi is ni. We say mimi ninafundisha. I am teaching. Mimi ninafundisha. The prefix is ni here. So this is standing for mimi, subject prefixes. You can just say ninafundisha instead of mimi ninafundisha. It's okay. Then wewe unafundisha. You are teaching. Wewe unafundisha. You are teaching. The subject prefix for wewe is u here. So you can say unafundisha or wewe unafundisha. 3. Yeye anafundisha. So yeye is represented by a here. Anafundisha. Anafundisha. He or she is teaching. Anafundisha. Sisi tunafundisha. We are teaching. Sisi tunafundisha. We are teaching. 5. Nyinyi mnafundisha. You all are teaching. So nyinyi is mnafundisha. 6. Wao wanafundisha. They are teaching. Wao wanafundisha. Wao is represented by wa in this sentence. Wanafundisha. You can say ninafundisha, I am teaching, unafundisha, you are teaching, anafundisha, he or she is teaching, tunafundisha, we are teaching, mnafundisha, they are teaching, and wanafundisha. Mnafundisha is you all are teaching, wanafundisha, they are teaching. These are the subject prefixes for the Swahili personal pronouns. These are the personal pronouns. Sawa? Now, we will go ahead and learn the object prefixes. The object prefixes normally shows the receiver of the action. The personal prefixes here, they show the doer of the action. For me, mimi, I am the doer of the action. What am I doing? I'm teaching. But for the object prefixes, they show the receiver of the action. The receiver of the action. So let's get started and see how we can make sentence with this. Moja, object prefix here. Alifundisha mimi. This sentence, alifundisha mimi, is correct. But if you say alifundisha mimi, then you sound like someone who is not very good in Swahili. Alifundisha mimi. Instead of saying alifundisha mimi, in here, mimi is the receiver of the action. We use object prefix for mimi to show the receiver of the action, and the object prefix for mimi here will be ni. So we say alinifundisha, alinifundisha, he taught me. He taught me, while ni here is the receiver of the action. And here a is he. Is the doer of the action. So this is the subject prefix for yeye, a. We use a in our example here today. Alinifundisha. He taught me. So don't say alifundisha mimi. Use ni here, okay? Okay. Mbili. Alifundisha wewe. Alifundisha wewe. He taught you. Instead of saying alifundisha wewe, we use the object prefix for wewe, which is ku. And we say alikufundisha Kiswahili. alikufundisha Kiswahili. He taught you Swahili. 3, alifundisha sisi. Alifundisha sisi, so we omitted one here. It is yeye, so we just have to write here. Alifundisha yeye. Okay. Tatu, instead of saying alifundisha yeye, he taught him or her, we say alimfundisha. Alimfundisha. This is he taught him or her. This yeye has been represented by this sentence. Alimfundisha. He taught him or her. We have another example here. I'll just erase this one and make those examples. Nne, 4. Sawa. Alifundisha sisi. Yeah, alifundisha sisi means he taught us. He taught us. Alifundisha sisi. So we use the object prefix for sisi, which is to, and we just say alitufundisha. Tufundisha. You see? Alitufundisha. You can see these two for sisi, for we. Alitufundisha. Alitufundisha. He taught us. 5. Alifundisha nyinyi. Alifundisha nyinyi. We will say nyinyi. The object prefix is wa. Aliwafundisha. 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 He taught you all. If I say mimi nitawafundisha Kiswahili, means I will teach you all Swahili. Nitawafundisha Kiswahili. If you're one, I'll say nitakufundisha Kiswahili. But if you're many, nitawafundisha Kiswahili. 6. Alifundisha wow. He taught them. So this wow will be Ali, same as this one, aliwafundisha. So wow here is same for this one. When you say aliwafundisha Kiswahili, then it means he taught them Kiswahili. He taught them. So it depends on the context to differentiate between these two. If I'm telling you niliwafundisha, then it means I taught you. But if I'm telling you about them, I say mimi niliwafundisha Kiswahili. I taught them Swahili. I taught them Swahili. So aliwafundisha. He or she taught them. So we can have additional examples. additional examples. But I will read these sentences from here. Alinifundisha, he taught me. Alikufundisha, he taught you. You know, this school, you might have had this school from the phrase ninakupenda. Ninakupenda. Now, ku in that ninakupenda means you. You are the receiver of the action of love. Ninakupenda. You can say ninapenda wewe, but ninakupenda is a phrase that has the object prefix for you. Alifundisha yeye. Alimfundisha, he taught him or her. Alitufundisha, he or she taught us. Aliwafundisha, he taught you guys. Aliwafundisha, he taught them. Sawa? Aliwafundisha. Okay, so we can continue. We can continue and have some examples, some exercise. Write the plural of this sentence. Write the plural of this sentence in plural. Moja. Alinibeba. Alinibeba means he carried me. How do you write this sentence in plural form? You know, it should be they carried us. So they. I will do the first one for you. The plural will be wa. Walitubeba. This is walitubeba. They carried us. Okay? Okay, the second one. Uliniandika, you wrote me. Write in the chats the plural for this sentence. 3. Nilikuletea means I brought for you. If you brought for someone maybe a gift, you can say nilikuletea zawadi. I brought for you a gift. So here nilikuletea, I brought you. So what's the plural for this? 4. Alinipikia. Alinipikia, he cooked for me. Maybe alinipikia chapati. He cooked for me chapati. Sawa? Alinipikia chapati. Right? The plural for these 3 sentences, uliniandika, nilikuletea, alinipikia. Sawa? See you in our next lesson. If you have any question, write in the chats below.